Hi, I'm Ash, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to make a YouTube tutorial on foreground lighting, not background, foreground lighting. So, this is my lighting code number. Uh, Remember to always Photoshop from lightest to darkest and biggest smooth, lowest opacity color to smallest detail with harder brush settings. What is that? This one, the, the opacity thingy, and sizes with um, square brackets on keyboard, printed size. So it looks like kind of this lighting. So it's called foreground lighting. So I think I finished my YouTube tutorial. And this is basically it. And I have a bit of shadow down here-ish from drawing my ground. Meanwhile, I was drawing my ground a little bit. Uh, and playing with color tones with extra layers. So I finished my YouTube tutorial on foreground lighting so I can focus on photoshopping maybe red and yellow. Looks like China building with red pockets, Chinese red pocket, lucky pocket or something, money. Buildings or green or white, looks like mandarin-ish building. Maybe down here and yellow, red, and green, white, and maybe black and white. Looks like hardcore mandarin army kind of looks. We'll see black maybe. Looks like blacksmith. Uh, so so this is my foreground lighting. Uh, so I'm gonna focus on coloring the building object in the end. River, bridge afterwards. Yeah, thanks.